I'm going to show you how to manage privacy controls on your OnePlus 15. So basically controlling which apps have access to which of your data. So if you go into settings and then go to security and privacy, tap on that, and then you scroll to privacy controls and tap on that, you can actually see the permission manager at the top there. So if you tap on that, you can actually see which apps have access to your calendar, your call log, your camera, your contacts list, your health, fitness and wellness data, your location data. So for instance, if you want to see which apps have access to your microphone, just tap on microphone and you can see the apps that have access to your microphone, and you can even see when it was last accessed. Okay, now if you want to revoke access to your microphone from any app, then just go to this list under allowed only while in use, and then go to that particular app, and then you can choose to revoke access like that. Okay, so that is basically how to manage permissions on your OnePlus 15. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.